Next they are gonna rate is Liquid Brand.
That one is cheating. वो सुन रही है उधर से वो Google.
So this is Liquid Brand. Take a sniff. Let me know what do you think.
This is very spicy. I think cardamom ka smell
Yes,
is
cardamom.
too much. Yes.
Do you smell the cinnamon?
Yes, yes.
Do you like the cinnamon?
Yeah, I'm liking it. It's a little bit spicy, so I like it. And I think it goes with my outfit also today.
Where would you wear this perfume?
All these parties that we go in, with all the traditional
I don't go to any party. Wrong information.
parties where we can wear all of this, like today's
Yeah,
Eid
it's a
party.
very nice like a party perfume.
Yes, so I think I can go with this. For
What would you
parties.
rate it?
8 out of 10.
That's nice. Better than Katlas. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. I give 9 for
Next.
This is very spicy.
Wait. Sir. Frame it. What do you think about this perfume?
This perfume is very spicy and fresh, and I think it will go for who goes to office daily. So I think this is good for daily office.
Liquid Brand for daily use, guys. Is it office safe? Let me know down
I
in the
think
comments.
I will rate it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. That's great. That's great. Thank you. Next victim. Next friend. Come in the frame.
सिर्फ छूने के बहाने चाहिए. This is really warm. I really like it.
Yeah.
It's very like a very manly scent. I would
Correct. So these kind of perfume are usually defined as warm and spicy.
say. But it's kind of hot. I think a man wearing this would be very sexy.
Where would you wear it? Not your body part. Where do you see yourself like using this perfume? Like
To like a rave, like a party, something like that.
rave party, Liquid Brand. Woo! My brother watches this.
Okay,
What?
like a beach party, maybe.
She
beach
doesn't
party.
even smoke, guys. She's
Yeah.
very pious.
Yeah, but the very pious is not the word I would use. It's very nice. I like this
What
one.
would you rate it?
Like a 9.
Oh my god.
Everybody's liking Liquid Brand more than Katla Island.
So I feel that this is like someone put chai in a perfume. If you get my vibe.
Exactly. I have written down that Liquid Brand reminds me of masala chai. This is like
So there'll always be someone who likes this smell.
it's a very like mass appealing smell, like one of the most viral perfume of 2025. What would you rate it?
8.5.
8.5. That's not bad. I would rate it like 9.5. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed my friends and if you want to see more of them. And don't forget to follow for more.
Honest and
Yay!